Hello, it's Joel Hawk from MarineMax. Today we've got a 2026 Harris Grand Mariner 250. Boat is powered with a Mercury 400 horse. Underwater lighting. Lily pad ladder. Stepping on the back of the boat, you've got your ski tow bar. You also have your swim platform. Radio controls, speakers all in the back here. This boat has the center walk-through, very popular model. Rear-facing seating. Beautiful tower. Twin Simrads. New JL audio. DTS. It is a power tower. Dual captain seats. Nice windscreen. Plenty of storage on these loungers. Cup holders. USB, USB-C. If you'd like to see some more boats here, come and see us at MarineMax Lake Ozark. Thank you.